Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the rest of the algebraic identities. So my fifth identity would be x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now you can compare this identity with our x plus y whole square and remember it. Next is we solve some based on it. Now if it is to return its expand, 3a plus 4b minus 5c whole square, if it is there, then how to expand this? Apply this identity only to solve it. So x will be, this is my x, 4b my y, and minus 5c would be my z. So x square means 3a square plus y square means 4b square plus z means minus 5c square. Dear students, keep here which is the sign with that term you have to write it. Plus 2 into xy means 3a and 4b plus 2 into, I am writing here below, plus 2 into yz. Yz means 4b and minus 5c plus 2 into zx. Z is minus 5c and x is 3a is equal to, simplify it, 3a and whole square means square of 3 and as well as a. So this will give me 9a square plus 16b square. Now square of a negative term would be positive. So what you have to keep in mind, if the degree is even and inside it is minus, it will become always positive. Square of 5 will be 25 and it, as I told you, it is positive. Now 6 4s are 24 and no minus sign is there, so plus is there, 24a into b. Next is minus sign is there and only one minus sign is there. So my answer will get it being minus. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 2, so 40 BC. Same way here, only one minus sign, you can find it out here, so here minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, so minus 30 CA. This is the expanded form of this using this identity. Now if it is written for the factorization form, identity is same only, factorize it. The question appeared like this: 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now keep in mind what is asked to you. Factorize means you have to divide it. Factors means to make it its part, and expand means make it a broader form of it. Okay, now it is given in the RHS form is given to you. So how I will convert it? First three terms its square root I will write it, 2x and whole square plus y whole square plus z whole square. Now as minus sign comes, here the changes appear. See which term is common where the minus sign you see. જ્યાં પણ તમને માઇનસ સાઇન દેખાય છે ત્યાં આગળ કોમન ટર્મ કોણ છે એ તમે પહેલા જોઈ લો. અહીંયા આગળ આપણને y કોમન દેખાય છે, It means that y term is in a minus form. But as I told you, on squaring any negative term, you will get it a positive only. So it is not presented for the y square. Understood, student? How to decide which term is your negative one. Now, plus only I will write it 2 into first a means 2x. Now, b means my minus y. So, on ultimately solution of this term, 2 to the 4xy and 1 minus sign. So, minus 4xy I got it. So, this is known as a factors of 4xy, negative 4xy. Understood? Same way here also. Now we got it that which is the negative one. Now yz I want it. So minus y I will write it and z etc. Plus 2 into z into 2x. So this will give me the factor x 2x minus y plus z whole square. Got it, beta? In both the forms, they can ask you the question. Either expand or in a factorize. Now, sixth identity is x plus y whole cube. So, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. This can also be written as x cube plus y cube plus, take it out common from these 3xy and x plus y. Why I prefer these for the factorization form? Because in the factorizing question, you have been given in this format the question. So it would be easy to represent it in this factorial form. Both are the presentation of the same identity. Same way, next is our seventh identity. Here plus is there, so here minus is there. So minus y cube plus 3x square y minus, here minus will come because y is individual, degree is 1 so, and here plus will come 3x y square. Y, though y is negative, but as it is a square, so here it will become plus. And here it is 1, degree is odd, so here it will become minus. We will solve some sums based on this identity. First, as usual, expand 3a minus 4b whole cube. Expanded form, I think it's an easy. So x cube means 3a, this is my x and this is my y. Wherever x is there means you have to write 3a, and wherever y is there you have to write 4b. Plus minus 4b I will write it. Plus 3 into 3a square into 4b minus plus 3 into 3a and minus 4b square is equal to 3a means 9a square. Now cube it is there, so I will get it minus. Cube of 3 will be 27. Cube of 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64 b cube. Now here 9 into 3, 27 into 4. So, and 1 minus sign is there. So, minus you will write it. 27 into 4, you will get it 108 a square b. Here, it is negative sign have square. So, my answer would be in positive. So, 4 4 is 16 and 16 into 9 will give me 144ab square. So you got into the answer, understood it, how to expand it. Now we come for the factorization. Factorize it. Whenever there are 4 terms, how to factorize it. Eight x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Now this is an expanded form. We need it in factorial form. How I told you? First of all, 4 terms are there and cube it is written. So you have to apply cubic formula. So 8 is a cube of which term? 2x cube plus 27 3 well, it's a cube of 3 plus I am writing according to formula 3 into x square into y. Let's see, I am getting it this 36x square y only. 2x square and y is 3y plus 3 into 2x and square of 3y. Let's simplify this one. 3 into 4 x square y x square into 3y. So what is this? 12. 12 3s are 36. I am getting 36. Okay. So my factors are correct. Same way you will get it the factors for the 54. So factorial form would be 2x plus 3y bracket close whole cube. One more topic is here about the evaluation. Question would be given like evaluate 103 whole cube. How we have to decide it in the last session? It should be near to the complete number like 10, 20, 30. So it is nearer to which number? 100. So how I will present it? 100 plus 3 will give me 103. Okay. So now you can apply the formula 6th identity and solve it. X cube plus y whole cube. So x cube means 100 square. This will become 100 with my x and 3 will become my y. So 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 square. Correct? Is equal to 100 cube. What I told you last time? How many zeros are there? That many. 3 times you have to make it. So 6 zeros I put it here. Plus 3 cube is 27 plus 100 is a 10,000 into 3 into 3, 9. It will give me 90,000. Plus 9, 3 square is 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27 into 100. So 2700. Now on adding all the terms, you are getting 1092727. Now another example we will see. 87 is nearer to 90. So what we will write? 90 minus 3. So this will give me the use of identity 7. The process is same only the use of the identity is different. 90 cube minus 3 cube minus 3 into 90 square into 3 plus 3 into 90 into 3 square. So is equal to 9 cube is 81. 7 to 9 cube, so 3 zeros I will put it. minus 9 cube is 27, 3 cube is 27, minus 90 square is 8100, multiplied by 3 into 3, 9. So, this will give me 0 into 0, 9, 7, 2, 9 and 2 zeros. Plus, I can write it 3 cube, 27 into 9 and it's 0, 90. On simplifying this term, you will get it 658503. So, dear students, you understood how to apply the identity. Do the sum based on this identities from exercise 2.5 and extra practice sums also. Thank you students for watching the video.